All right, so we are reading a new Scholastic magazine this week, and you should have picked it up last week in your packet, and it is all about one of the most favorite summer treats, and that is ice cream. So we are going to read the story together today, or the selection, so you'll need to go ahead and grab that and get it out. And before we read, I am going to show you a little video about the inside of an ice cream factory. So let me get that going. And I will flip it around. Here we go.
Inside an ice cream factory. On a hot summer day, there's nothing better than sweet, creamy, frosty ice cream. You can get it at a shop. You can get it from a truck. You can even get it from your own freezer. Ice cream is everywhere. But where does all that delicious ice cream come from? What's in it? And how is it made? To answer those questions, we're going on a trip to somewhere extremely cool. Hi, I'm Blair Ransford, an editor at Scholastic. I'm here at Ample Hills Ice Cream Factory in New York City. In this building, workers can make 1,500 gallons of ice cream every day. It would take a lot of hot fudge to cover all that ice cream. At Ample Hills, they make so many delicious flavors, like strawberries and cream, dark chocolate, and peppermint patty. But today, we're going to see them make a flavor called Ooey Gooey Butter Cake. Let's go check it out. Oh wait, before we go in, I've got to get all suited up. I have to put covers over my shoes, a fresh white lab coat over my clothes, and a hairnet over my hair. If you have a beard, you better put on a beard net too. We'll start by making the ice cream base. That's the basic mix that can be turned into any kind of ice cream. The workers pour milk, sugar, cream, and eggs into a big machine. The machine slowly stirs the mixture and heats it to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. But wait, isn't ice cream supposed to be cold? Don't worry, it will be icy cold soon. It gets heated up now to kill any germs that are in the mixture. The ice cream base gets pumped through pipes along the ceiling. Those pipes are so cold, you can see frost on them. The mixture goes to a cooling machine. Now the ice cream is only 20 degrees. It's time to add the mix-ins. Those are the chewy, crunchy bits that some ice cream flavors have, like peanut butter cups or fudge. Ooey Gooey Butter Cake gets cake pieces. Let's go take a look. The ice cream factory has its own bakery. To make the cake, workers stir up the ingredients in a huge mixer. They smush the cake batter into big sheet pans, like this. They cover that raw dough with a delicious gooey layer. And then they bake the cake in a giant oven. After it cools down, they chop it up. This machine chops the cake into tiny little cubes. And now those cubes get mixed into the ice cream. Our sweet mixture has finally become Ooey Gooey Butter Cake ice cream. Next, this machine pumps out the ice cream. It fills up cartons called pints. Those go to grocery stores. It also fills up big tubs. Those go to the Ample Hills ice cream shops. All the ice cream spends a little time in one last place. This super cold freezer. It's 30 degrees below zero in here. Brr! It's too cold for me, but it's perfect for ice cream. There's only one step left. It's time to eat the ice cream. I'll take 2 scoops and a sugar cone, please. Thank you, Jackie. It took a whole team of people a lot of work to make this delicious treat. Just make sure you eat it before it melts.
All right, so that was interesting to learn how ice cream was made, right? I think I would freeze if I had to be in that cooler. All right, let's read the magazine together. I want you to read it with me today. So I'm going to kind of zoom up whenever it comes up on my screen. So, whoop, that's the back. We don't want to be there. It's taking me a minute. My computer's kind of slow. All right, making ice cream. It's sweet, it's cold, it's drippy and yummy. It's ice cream. One ice cream factory makes 1,000 gallons a day. How? Okay, let me go over. Okay, it says, we visited the Ample Hills Ice Cream Factory in New York. We learned how ice cream is made there step by step. As you read, think about which step is most surprising to you and why. Okay, so let's start at step 1. Add the ingredients. First, workers put milk, cream, eggs, and sugar into a big tank. They heat up the tank. Heat kills any germs in the mixture. The mixture is liquid. And so liquid means like it's kind of runny. It's not a solid, it's not hard. All right, number 2, mix it, cool it. Next, the liquid goes into the ice cream maker. The ice cream maker is freezing. It mixes the liquid a lot. Slowly, that liquid turns into solid ice cream. So it becomes like one piece. It's no longer a liquid. Number 3, chop the cake. Meanwhile, workers put cakes on a moving belt. Why? This ice cream will have bits of cake in it. The cakes move along the belt. Blades chop them up. So blades are like knives that do all the chopping. Add the cake, step 4. Now workers pour the cake bits into a machine. The machine adds the cake to the ice cream. Yum. Step 5. Fill the cartons. Then workers hold out the ice cream cartons. The ice cream pours in from an ice cream filter. Workers also hold out big tubs. Those go to ice cream shops. And step 6, scoop it out. Finally, the ice cream goes to grocery stores and ice cream shops. You can buy a cone at a shop. 2 scoops, please. All right, so let's think for a minute. Which step was most surprising to you? I think to me is that the mixture gets really hot. It gets heated up to kill any of the germs. Because I'm thinking, what kind of germs would be in the ice cream? Like you're just pouring it from like the sugar box and all the eggs into the container. So that part was kind of surprising to me. All right, the last thing I want you to do today, this is a longer lesson, but we don't have any spelling. So the last thing I want you to do is I want you to complete the back side of our magazine and send me a picture of it. It is the question part. And so I'm going to flip it back around so you can see it. There are 4 questions and a bonus that I want you to answer using the graph to answer those questions. So you're going to use this over here to answer your questions, okay? And then once you finish that, I want you to submit a picture of that to me. And then throughout the week, we're going to work on some more stuff with ice cream. All right, boys and girls, see you tomorrow.